Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Sylvia. I want to presentation about my research proposal. The title is Student Perception on the Use of Online Learning Platform at fourth semester of English Department in University of Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa. Let's move in chapter 1 or introduction. There is identification, formulation, and objective of the research. First, identification of the research. The identification of the research is online learning platform is one of the new media in learning. Next, student and teacher are required to be able to use the online learning platform. And last is students still have difficulty using the online learning platform. Next is formulation of the research. The formulation of the research is our student perception on the use of online learning platform at fourth semester of English Department in University of Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa. And last is objective of the research. Based on the identification and the formulation of the research, the objective of the research is to find out how our student perception on the use of online learning platform at fourth semester of English Department in University of Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa. Next is chapter 2 or frame of theories. First is perception. Based on Angel 2015, a perception is the sense of consciousness. In other words, perception is the way people think about things in their world. Starting from the eyes, a perception is created. The eyes catch stimuli and physiological mechanism is produced to bring out perception. And next is online learning platform. An online learning platform is an incorporated arrangement of intelligent online administration that gives teacher, student, and others engage with training, with data, device, and asset to help and upgrade schooling conveyance and board. Next is chapter 3, or research methodology. First is research design. The design of the research is qualitative research, especially survey study. A survey study is a method for collecting information or data reported by individual. And next is research participant. The participant of the research is fourth semester student of English Education Department of Untirta. And next is data collecting technique. The data collecting technique in this research is interview. The interview is a direct conversation to get a reliable and valid measure in the form of a verbal response from a respondent. And last is data analysis technique. In this research, the data analysis technique is organizing, summarizing, and interpreting. Organizing is done by categorizing the data from the interview transcript. And next, summarizing. Here, the researcher begin to see what is in data. And last is interpreting. Interpreting involves reflecting about the word and the act of studies participant. Okay, that's enough. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.